Today we are going to understand the geographical features that molded the Greek civilization. So the geography of Greece is very important for us to understand. In this map, you are actually looking at Greece, and we can see that Greece is surrounded by oceans on all three sides, and here in the south, down south, here you we have the Mediterranean Sea, and towards the west you have the Ionian Sea, and towards the east you have the Aegean Sea. So Greece is surrounded by ocean on all three sides. And in order to understand the land and people of Greece, we must understand their geographical features, because geography plays a very important role in determining the political, social and economic life of any civilization. So this is the island of Crete, where the first civilization, the Greek civilization, began, and this is in the Mediterranean Sea. And this main island which you are seeing here is called as the Peloponnesian island, and this Peloponnesian island is separated from the main island by a gulf called as the Gulf of Corinth. You can see this is the Gulf of Corinth here. So Gulf of Corinth separates the main land of Greece from the Peloponnesian island, and here there is a small strip of land that connects the mainland of Greece. The Peloponnesian island and the mainland of Greece is connected by a small strip of land. And on this strip of land is the city-state of Corinth. So this is how the the oceans are surrounding the entire Greek state. Now here we have another you can see a brown strip of color there, and this brown strip of piece is nothing but the mountain ranges which will reach up to the Gulf of Corinth, and these mountain ranges are referred to as the mountain ranges are referred to as the Pindus Mountains. The Pindus Mountains are the ones you are seeing here, and these mountain ranges have divided the entire Greek island, and therefore you see many city-states coming up here. And then from the Peloponnesian island, when we move a little towards the east, you come across a piece of land called as Attica. Attica is surrounded by the Aegean Sea on all sides, as you see. Moving up to Attica is another land called as Boeotia, and on Boeotia we have the famous city of Thebes. On Attica we have the famous city of Athens. In Boeotia you have the city-states of Athens. Then moving up is Thessaly, and from Thessaly we go to Macedonia, and from Macedonia is Thrace. In Macedonia, we come across the great ruler of the world, Alexander, and then Thrace. From Thrace, when we move a little towards the east, you come across another ocean here. It is called as the Sea of Marmara. And if you cross the Sea of Marmara, you come to the Western Anatolia. This is called as Western Anatolia. It is now part of Turkey. This is the land which is referred to as the Greek civilization, and it is all on the banks of an ocean. Either it is the Ionian Sea, the Aegean Sea, or the Mediterranean Sea. And here in the Aegean Sea you see number of islands, and these islands play a very important role, and this is one of the biggest island called as the Rhodes Island. And still further towards the east you have the Cyprus Island. So this is how the the civilization of Greece developed on this piece of land which you are seeing here. So you remember the Ionian Sea, the Aegean Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. The first civilization began on the island of Crete, and this is the Peloponnesian island, and it is separated by the Gulf of Corinth. This is the Gulf of Corinth. So this is how the city-state of or the Greek civilization developed on this piece of land surrounded by the ocean. So this is geographical features of the Greek civilization.